Hi, I haven't uploaded a video in about a week or so. That is because I've been down with a severe wheat allergy. I've been allergic since 2017, but we managed to pinpoint it only earlier this year. And I did an allergy test and it came out positive. And each time I ingest wheat, I land in the ER with anaphylaxis and acute urticaria. So this year alone, 2019, that has happened. I've landed in the ER 5 times. Twice in my birthday week. Last week, April 14th was my birthday. The previous day I was in the ER. Apparently there's wheat now in chocolate, Kit Kat, everywhere, Cadbury's. So I ate a Cadbury's bar without looking. There were no wafers or anything. It was just, random. I mean, not wafers or biscuit or anything. Despite this, it contained wheat and I landed. Wheat is everywhere. My birthday, I spent looking very, very puffy, feeling very sorry for myself and sleeping the whole day in pajamas, did not even bother to wash my face or shower or anything. So I did go out the following day and had a dinner out, but I didn't really celebrate. I treated myself to some makeup though the following day to, make up for it all. I'll show you my haul later. So as a result of all the steroids, and cortisone and antihistamines and everything, my face is rather puffy looking. You must have noticed that in previous videos as well. A bit of puffiness and water retention, if you will. That will go away if I'm no longer exposed to steroids. But, then I shouldn't be exposed to wheat either. And the antihistamines are putting me to sleep. I'm on antihistamines twice a day now. Because, the reaction has to sort of go down. Because what happens is, when I'm exposed to wheat, in addition to the anaphylaxis and acute urticaria, I end up having urticaria for a few days, even afterwards, even when I'm no longer exposed to wheat. So, very bad wheat allergy. It's probably going to be there for the whole of the rest of my life. Wheat is everywhere. Very, very difficult. No one believes you. They think you're a psychological case. Even if you show medical documentation, you've got to land in the ER to convince people. So, before I tell you about the beauty product that I'm here to talk about, my mum baked me a cake with banana flour because, wheat-free cake is very, very difficult to find, and they'll tell you it's wheat-free, and even so it will contain refined flour, something mildest bit, smallest quantity, and it puts me in the ER again. So banana flour, no wheat. Mum baked me a cake. It looks like this. Decent, isn't it? It actually tastes quite good. I couldn't really tell any difference in taste. It's a bit more moist than regular wheat cakes, regular flour cakes. That's one difference that I noticed. The other thing is that it's a lot better than almond flour. For Christmas, I baked an almond flour cake and it came out way too moist, squashy and squishy. So this one, banana flour, much better option. So if you are allergic to wheat or a celiac or something or want a gluten-free diet, then banana flour cake is a good choice. So, beauty products. I know I'm very, very late with this one. It arrived in March and all that, I told you, I've been in the ER 5 times this year with anaphylaxis. My throat gets clogged, swallowing and breathing difficulty. I was on the nebulizer even for a bit. The day before my birthday, so this is very, very late. This is from Pixi, from Pixi, I know, very, very large box. It is a set of masks, a complete set of masks. Hang on, let me just open that. Oopsie, all sorts of things are falling off. All right, I'll be right back. So it opens like that, and these are the products inside. As you can see, there are 6 products. One of them is a washcloth. That's this one. Right, it's conveniently fallen out. So everything else is a mask. One is an eye mask. The other are all face masks. So before I put the washcloth away, very soft, softer than Emma Hardy's actually. Emma Hardy's, one of the sides is not very soft. This one, both sides soft. I use it as a post-oil cleansing flannel cloth rather than to remove my mask. So let's put that away because that's not strictly speaking a mask, it's more of an accessory. Now in here you actually play a little game and spin this wherever the arrow lands. That is the mask you use. I haven't been doing that, I must confess. So I'll just talk about these products one by one. I've been testing them for about a month now. Firstly, here we are. Firstly, there is the Glycolic Boost Sheet Mask. So these are $10 each. So as you can see, I've used one. I haven't used the other. So how do I use this? It's a sheet mask. I'll tell you the honest truth. I'm not a huge fan of sheet masks because this packaging is just landfill and it doesn't make sense. I found out recently that you get whole boxes containing about 30 sheet masks and you can just, like wipes, you can just pull off one after the other whenever you need a sheet mask. So I think that makes a lot more sense than individually packaging each sheet mask like this. So how do I use this? I'm on tretinoin use now every other night, so I can't use acids on those nights. But once a week, so I no longer use acids as such in my routine except Pixi Glow Tonic in the mornings. So once a week, in order to get some bit of exfoliation, I used this. There were 3 that were in this box. I've used up 2, 1 left, so I'll probably use that up in the next week or so. And it contains ginseng, cocoa, glycolic acid, aloe vera, witch hazel and basil. In addition to the glycolic that obviously is intended to exfoliate, there are a lot of soothing, moisturizing ingredients as well. I leave it on for about half an hour or so the day before I'm supposed to wash my hair and then remove the face mask, because sheet masks ruin my hairline and fringe. So I always use them before washing my hair. So how did I like it? It was alright, decent. Would I repurchase it? No, because sheet masks, as I told you, landfill, waste of packaging. So I won't be repurchasing sheet masks. That said, it was a decent sheet mask. It wasn't bad. Now we come to one of my favorite products in this. This is the Detoxify set of eye patches that you put in your under eye area. This is 30 patches. $24. Now, I like these for layering as an occlusive to prevent transepidermal water loss. What I do is use an eye serum first and then my regular eye cream and then this on top. And I wake up with much more hydrated under eye areas. My under eye areas are incredibly dry. That is because I'm very sleep deprived. I have allergies. I am in an allergic phase right now, as I've been telling you. So with all that, my under eye areas are in very bad shape, sleep deprivation, looking at the computer a lot. So this one, very nice for layering above your eye cream as an occlusive, prevents water loss. Very nice. You're supposed to remove them in about half an hour or so. I don't. I confess that I wake up the following morning with it all, pruny and wrinkled up. And that's when I throw them away. Until then, I keep the patches on. So very nice. These are actually green in color for whatever reason. And you can see that there's a lot of serum, essence, whatever, goodness in there. So this one contains cucumber, gold, hyaluronic acid and caffeine. So lots of hydrating, nourishing, depuffing ingredients in there. The next is the T-Zone Peel-Off Mask, which is a fun product that you apply just in your T-zone area. The trick is to apply a rather thicker layer, because a very thin layer means it hurts while peeling off. A thicker layer, it doesn't hurt as much. So this one contains avocado, green tea, cucumber and bamboo. It is intended to purify your T-zone. So what I noticed with this is that it removes the sebum and it provides decent sebum control. So that is how it works for me. I like using it, confession, in the mornings before wearing makeup, before washing my face even, when I'm in the loo. Too much information, I know. And you remove it and then you apply, you wash your face and shower and everything and you come out and then you apply your makeup. There's, the greasiness doesn't set in until a bit longer, which is exactly what my oily skin needs. So this one is a great idea for oily skinned people. Remember, avoid the eyebrow area, the hairline, etc., because you really don't want to be peeling off bits and flakes from your hair. That's a mess. That would be like chewing gum on the hair. Now for my favorite face mask from the set. And let me just get that out for you. So as you can see from the stains around and the quantity left, this one I've really been using on a regular basis. This is the Glow Mud Mask. Confession, I have used this product before. I got a sample from a Cult Beauty goodie bag some time ago. This is $22. So this contains clay and kaolin clay and ginseng and sea salt. So it's basically a clay mask with some soothing ingredients. So clay is a great choice if you are breakout prone, oily skinned, and if your pores are clogged. It draws out impurities. And my favorite clay mask used to be the Omorovitz Ultra More Mud Mask. I will be talking about it in my empty space later this month. I've just finished the whole tub of it. But the price point is rather high. This one, $22, 45 mils, that one, 50 mils. For 45 mils at this price, I can definitely afford it. And this is a very good dupe for the Omorovitz Ultra More Mud Mask. So if you're a fan of the Ultra More Mud Mask, if you like your clay masks, if you're looking for an affordable clay mask to draw out your impurities and unclog your pores once a week, very good choice here. So that's me with the clay mask on. Lastly, we have the peel and polish mask. This is $24. This is an enzyme peel. Yes, it does tingle upon application, and my skin is used to strong acids. I don't use it every night, obviously. I use it once a week because I'm retinoling now. I use it on non-tret nights once a week, not more than that. I don't need more acid near my face right now. So this one contains lactic acid, papaya extract, and sugarcane extract. Glycolic is extracted from sugarcane, so it contains all of those. You don't apply it for longer than 2 minutes, and even so, I confess that I've removed it in about a minute or so because my skin couldn't stand the tingling. What it does, this is an exfoliating mask. So you have purifying masks, sebum control masks, anti-acne masks, soothing masks, eye masks, and exfoliating masks in the set. Now, Pixi says that for added exfoliation, you can massage this into your face for 30 seconds. I can't dare to do that. My face is already peeling and flaky, so let's not go there. And, if your face is flaky and peeling from tretinoin and you want to get rid of all the flakes and you're going to apply makeup in a bit, this is a very good choice. It helps remove those tretinoin flakes. And this is what this mask looks like. So the reason I don't, demo my skincare on camera is because of lighting. I shoot in natural light. I can't be asked with artificial light. So, I probably struggle. I have no idea how it's going to work on camera. And, I'm not going to take my camera into the bathroom. So that would probably ruin my camera. So overall thoughts, I adore the Glow Mud Mask, which I've used before. I adore the Detox Eye Under Eye Patches. These are new to me. Everything else in here is new to me. The sheet mask, I'm alright with. It's okay. It's not a, must-have product. This is nice for sebum control in the mornings. Otherwise, you don't have to have it unless you're very oily skinned and you want, to control your sebum right before applying makeup in the mornings. The exfoliator is a good choice if you are looking to remove flaky skin, or if you can't be asked with an acid on a daily basis, or if you can't apply acid on a daily basis for whatever reason. So which ones will I repurchase? The under eye patches, definitely the Detox Eye, and the Glow Mud Mask. The other three, particularly the sheet mask, I'm not going to repurchase, obviously, because sheet mask packaging and I don't get long. The T-zone peel off mask, I want to try it for a bit longer and see the long-term sebum control effects of that. Ditto the exfoliation. I'm tretinoining, so maybe once my skin is used to the tretinoin, I won't need the exfoliation at all. Let me see how that goes. So it all depends on how my skin does with the tretinoin. If it's going to stop flaking eventually, then I won't need any exfoliation whatsoever. And, I can just live with Glow Tonic in the mornings, and that's it. The sebum control, as I said, I want to see how it does in the long term. Does it control sebum? If so, I'll definitely repurchase. If not, I may not. So those are my thoughts on the Pixi Skin Treats face masks and one eye mask. 4 face masks, 1 eye mask. Very nice washcloth as well. You can never have too many washcloths. Mine are always disappearing. I think my washing machine eats them up. So which is your favorite mask? Do you prefer clay masks or exfoliating masks or hydrating masks? For me, I like all of them. I'm a multi-masker. My face needs hydrating masks in some areas, last-step occlusive sleeping packs, exfoliating masks when my skin is peely and flaky, and definitely clay masks when I'm feeling clogged. So right now, for cystic acne, thanks to all the steroids that I've been pumped with, I tried telling my dermatologist, it's going to give me acne, but he said, are you worried about acne? You're saving your life right now. You're going to have to start breathing on your own at some point. So let's keep quiet there. Can't do anything about it. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.